Here's my app with some data saved, and I'm going to go ahead and rotate the phone. Woo, that was a lot of callbacks. Let's go see what they were. So I actually see the exact same callbacks here as if the phone had shut down the app in the background. I see that the activity was actually destroyed, and I see it was immediately recreated with the restore instant state callback called. So it goes through all of those shutdown callbacks, and then it recreates the activity with an instant state bundle. Why is this happening? Well, when you rotate the phone, this is considered a configuration change. A configuration change is where the state of the device changes so radically that the system decides the easiest way to resolve this is to rebuild the activity. It uses the same onsaved instant state bundle to restore the activity, which is why implementing onsaved instant state fixed that rotation problem. Examples of configuration changes include when the user decides to change to the language that they're currently using on their device, or if they ever plug in or remove a hardware keyboard. If you change around the language that you're using, such as switching to Arabic, your whole layout might need to accommodate a different text direction. If you change to a hardware keyboard, you might be able to use more of the display. So in both of these cases, the configuration change can significantly alter how you decide to display your activity. Thus, it's rebuilt. But by far the most common example of a configuration change is this rotation that we just saw, which is when the device is switching between portrait and landscape mode. Android is flexible enough that when you choose to rotate your phone, you could show the user a completely different UI, with a completely different view hierarchy. Thus, if you start off in portrait orientation and then rotate your phone, the device actually tears down any activities in portrait orientation and recreates them in landscape orientation. And that is why you see this full teardown and recreation.